Back to Sunrise 6:13 your time on this Monday morning. Well, it is hard to believe, but it is already time to start talking about flu season.
In fact, in some areas of the country, it's already starting up. So now doctors are warning everybody to protect themselves.
Our Carlos Diazi is joining us live this morning with some of the ways to keep you and your family safe this flu season. Good morning.
Good morning, Julia. Yeah, we're here with Dr. Steve Samuels from Franciscan Health. Leanna is going to be getting a flu shot here at the end of this live shot. Let's talk quickly, though, about some of the things that can help us prevent flus and the spread of flus. The great news is a flu can be very tough inside your body, but outside your body it's kind of a big wimp, correct?
Absolutely. It doesn't live that long once it's outside of your body. 24 hours at the most. Usually about 30 minutes is the average life expectancy for the flu virus outside your body. Now,
there are several different ways for you to help prevent the spread of flu, and let's show you some of them right now. As far as covering your mouth when you're coughing, we teach kids now it's not with the hand.
You try to use your elbow, cough into your elbow. As you showed, everything we touch with our hands is a common vector, and so we want to use the elbow so we're not infecting our hands.
Washing your hands, the length is very important.
Absolutely. At least 30 seconds of good warm water is the best way to kill the virus.
So antibacterials versus alcohol-based hand sanitizers.
Yes. Alcohol will kill the flu virus. Antibacterials are for bacteria, and as flu is a virus, it will not kill the virus.
And then the main thing, stay home 24 hours after a fever.
Absolutely. If you're infectious, we want to get you staying home and staying away from infecting other people. And so even after you're feeling the full flu, for the next couple of days, you can still actively infect other people.
And it's very important to keep things clean in your workspace and at home. Doorknobs, handrails, computers, the mouse next to your computer, your remote control at home, toys that your kids are using, elevator buttons, video game controllers. These are all things that can have the flu virus on them, so keep them clean at all times. All right, Leanna, you ready to go? All right, so it's time. She's getting her flu shot. I'm going to get my flu shot next half hour, guys. So hold on, we'll cover this so you don't have to see the actual flu shot, because people have an aversion to needles like this guy right here. So there you go. That's how easy it is to get your flu shot right there, guys. See, she's getting it.
All done.
All done. There you go. That's how easy it is. Guys, back to you.
Just look away when you have it done in the next half hour, Carlos.
All right, thanks so